seated.
All right, this is James Kitzler, 22-456, violation of community control. Violation is at January 6th, charged with, by Avon Police, strangulation and domestic violence. You understand that charge?
Yes.
Second violation is you did not report that to your probation officer. Do you understand that charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Third is that you failed to report to probation as scheduled January 7th. You understand that charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
And last, the police report from Avon indicates you were under the influence of alcohol on January 5. You understand that charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Tomasic?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. In speaking with Mr. Kitzler, he would like to plead to the charges today, and he's prepared to proceed with sentencing. With regard to Rule 1, though, Your Honor, those charges from Avon have been dismissed. So I wanted to ask the court if we could dismiss that specific violation because those charges in Avon have been dismissed. Thank you.
Yeah, I don't care. So we'll go forward on 3. So what's your plea to the violations?
Guilty, Your Honor.
I'll accept your guilty plea and find you guilty. So what's your story? Why you drinking, not reporting the charges, and not showing up?
Well, I tried to report it. I called Cindy, but she didn't answer, so I left a voicemail twice. And then I arranged to turn myself into Avon. And at that point, my attorney out there had called my probation officer, Cindy, and spoke to her and told her about the arrangement.
Well, what arrangement?
To turn myself into Avon on those warrants.
So when were you in jail in Avon or in Lorain County?
I don't remember the exact date.
Do you know, Craig?
January 15th, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, you were supposed to report on January 7th.
Correct.
Why didn't you?
Because I was trying to do the next right thing, so I had arranged to turn myself in there and take care of that.
Well,
So
the first right thing is that you had an obligation to show up on January 7th.
I understand, Your Honor.
Where were you from January 7th through January 15th?
I was working and getting ready to turn myself in.
I mean, you've been a chronic problem on probation, haven't you?
I've made mistakes, yes.
You've been a chronic problem. So what am I supposed to do with you? Because you don't listen to anything. You just do whatever you want to do. So what am I supposed to do with you? You don't want to stop drinking. You don't want to stop doing drugs. You don't want to stop getting into trouble. What am I supposed to do with you?
Well, this last case, I didn't even get in trouble for.
Okay. Well, my understanding is that
I wasn't even there.
My understanding on that case is the victim refused to cooperate. And regardless of that, why were you drinking when one of your rules of probation is not to use alcohol?
There's no proof I was drinking. I wasn't even there to get arrested, which is why a warrant was issued and I turned myself in.
The Avon Police Department's report that you just pled guilty to, okay, indicated you were under the influence of alcohol on January 5th. Is that true or is it not true?
I wasn't even there when the police came there.
Here we go again.
So how do they know?
This is like Groundhog Day with you. Every time you're in here, everybody's put upon you. You haven't done anything wrong. So you weren't under the influence of alcohol on January 25th, as the Avon Police indicated?
January 25th.
January 5th. Were you or weren't you?
I may have been drinking that night, but
Why were you drinking if one of your rules of probation is you're not supposed to drink? Because you just don't like, you don't like this probation shit. You just don't like to comply. You like to do whatever you want to do. That's what you do. That's what you've done since you've been here in August of '22. Whatever you want to do. So, my question was, what am I supposed to do with you?
I don't have an answer for that, but I'd like to get out and get back to my 12-step meetings and my programs, which I'm not able to do any of while in jail.
No. Well, why are you in jail?
Because I got new charges.
And why else? You were you working that program hard on January 5th, that 12-step program?
To the best of my ability at the time.
All right, well, you don't want anything to do with this probation. I mean, you seem like every time you come in here, you're pissed off that you're in here, that we're dragging you in here for apparently no reason.
I'm not pissed off at all.
No. Okay. Ms. Tomaszek?
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Kitzler has been in the Lake County Jail since the pending of the case. He does have credit for, I believe, 299 days. He does have a great support system. His girlfriend, his mom are in the court. His girlfriend has been in contact with me throughout this. Mr. Kitzler will still have...
If he has a great support system, then why does he keep getting in trouble? You know why? I'll give you the answer. Because he doesn't give a shit, and he doesn't want to use the support system. That's why he keeps getting in trouble. Go ahead.
Yep. So, Your Honor, he does still have a job waiting for him at Randall Exteriors. He said he will be living in Avon upon his release. He does want to get back to his 12-step meetings as he indicated here. Whether he needs more treatment or not, I think that would be up to Mr. Kitzler.
He doesn't need any treatment.
Considering the amount of credit that Mr. Kitzler has had throughout the duration of his case and that he's been in the Lake County Jail since, I believe, January 27th, we would like to ask the court to release Mr. Kitzler. Whether the court wants to continue probation or not, I'll leave that at the court's discretion. Thank you.
All right. I've reviewed everything once again. And you're going to be on probation for 66 more days. You're going to serve 12 months in the county jail with credit for 299 days, and the costs are assessed. When you complete the remainder of the days, you're off of probation.
That's the case, I'm gonna file a motion to him, I'm gonna give him more credit, but I have to go back and actually calculate it all.
So I got 2 more months.
And then you're done with everything. Yeah, I'm gonna go calculate when I get back and talk to Cindy when I get back. Okay. If there's an issue, I will definitely let you know.
I got 2 more months.